come and play. Silly fun is on the way. Grab your socks and start the day. It's the Tickle Parade, hooray! Two bananas on the floor, wiggling, jiggling, wanting more. They started dancing, spun around, then they made a tickly sound. Hee hee hee, ha ha ha, let's all laugh, ha ha ha. Dancing bananas, Tickle Parade, laughing loud in the sunshine shade. Jump and giggle, skip and sway, we're dancing the sillies all away. Wiggle left, tickle right, banana fun all day and night. Along came giggly Mr. Peer, tickled toes and spiky hair. He slipped and slid, then gave a cheer. Let's tickle all the way down here. Tee-hee-hee, woo-hoo-hoo, the tickle train is coming through. Dancing bananas, Tickle Parade, marching silly through the lemonade. Clap and bounce, hop and line, this tickly fun is mighty fine. Spin around, pat your knees, laugh like monkeys in the trees. Left foot up, right foot skip, tickle your belly and wiggle your hip. Everybody shout yippee, then dance like fruit so happily. Dancing bananas, Tickle Parade, bringing joy to every grade. Twist and turn, feel the beat, tickly fun from head to feet. With a giggle and a bounce, we're the silliest bunch around. Now the tickles float away, but we'll dance another day. Hee hee hee, see you soon.